Morning guys, this is Frosty8415. I wanted to show you the gun's empty. You can see all the way through. I thought I could wait, but I couldn't. It's a Glock 48, which is actually a 19 single stack. This has the Glock night sights already on it. I don't know if it'll focus well enough on that or not, but they're already installed. Really like these sights. I got this at a hell of a deal. It comes with 2 magazines and it has the orange empty to let you know that the magazine insert is orange, so you know when it's empty without any issues at all. I don't like the 19 because it has a cutout right here. It really cuts into my hand. But this is the same thing, really. But it's single stack, it's thinner. And I like the feel of it really, really good. The 45 sold me on this gun. I love the feel of the 45. I love the feel of 43X. And they had this on sale. I gave, at my local dealership, $448 for this gun, brand new in the box. And you're not going to find a better deal than that on a brand new Glock 48. It does have the front serrations and the rear serrations, and I just couldn't pass this gun up. You can see all the stuff I use there to work on guns. There's my GoPros and stuff, and I got all kinds of tools and stuff laying around. But I'll modify this. Sights I won't worry about because they're already done. I'll modify this gun, and I'm trying to get to where the overhead light is not washing this out. And I'll do a review on this 48. The feel of it's great. I love the feel of it. It feels good in my hand, and that's why I bought it. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. This is Frosty8415, and I'm out.